today's video is something related to safety. So today's technique can be applied to every time you brake, or especially in case when you have to panic brake. So panic braking is usually when someone comes in your way while you are riding at high speeds, or even not in high speed, but if you are riding on a low pace or a continuous pace and someone or something comes in your way and you have to instantly stop or something like that. Now the problem with bikes, when bikers apply their brakes, in most cases the ending is not so good. They end up braking too hard, or they apply too much pressure on the front brake that the tire tends to lock up, and they have a really hard time explaining their mom that how the hell did their face got in contact with the road. So basically in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to do a panic braking, or rather we can say it another word, that manual ABS. So guys, in India not every bike comes with an ABS. There are only a few bikes that offer you ABS, and the first one was the Apache RTR 180 that first offered the ABS in their bike. And since then a few more manufacturers have given.
Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way, move.
So since then many manufacturers have started giving ABS options on their bike. So what ABS does is that when we apply our brakes too hard, it comes into action and stops the brake from locking the wheel. So if we apply brakes on a bike without an ABS, like this one, now watch what will happen. See, as I applied the brakes, the wheel locked, and you can imagine if this happens when you are in high speed. Now first thing, which is the most important of all, is that we should apply both the brakes at the same time. We should never apply only the front brake or the rear brakes while we are trying to slow down or we are holding for a stop. Every time we brake, we should apply both the brakes, the front and the rear ones. So first of all, I'll show you what a manual ABS is. Now as you saw, while I was coming down the road, when I applied the brakes, I was constantly pumping the brakes instead of applying them all at once. Now I'll show you what will happen if I don't perform this manual ABS. I'll try not to crash myself. Now the manual ABS will not only help you from getting your bike unstable, but it will also help you in stopping off your bike at a shorter distance. Now I understand that we are humans, and if somebody or something comes in our way, we tend to freak out, and the one thing that we know is that just pull on the brakes as hard as you can. So I completely understand the factor. But if we practice this manual ABS in our daily day-to-day life, the more and more habit we'll develop of braking like this. So basically that was it for the video, guys. Hope you learned something useful. If you like the video, do leave a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos, and do subscribe if you haven't. Ride safe, wear your helmets and safety gear. Till then, this is Indian Asphalt signing out.